Don't know what Shiba Inu coin is? Well, it's a cryptocurrency that allows you to make money online. So let's dive in. You can use this currency to trade with other people or exchange it for other currencies like Bitcoin. The best part about Shiba Inu coin is that there are no fees. This video will explain the fundamentals of how to get started with this new cryptocurrency and show you some of the many ways to make money with it. Don't mistake this currency with the Japanese dog breed that gave it its name. Here's what you need to know about the Shiba Inu. Many new cryptocurrencies have emerged since Bitcoin's inception, each with its own alternative way of usage. The likes of Ethereum introduced additional real-world capabilities and services to the market. There's also Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that's been inspired by internet meme culture. This amusing approach continues with the debut of Shiba Inu coin, SHIB, which was inspired by Dogecoin. The SHIB coin is a meme-themed cryptocurrency with the Japanese Shiba Inu dog breed as its logo. SHIB rose to prominence in the spring of 2021, fueled by Elon Musk and his comments on it. What is the Shiba Inu coin and how does it work? Shiba Inu, like many other cryptocurrencies, runs on a decentralized computer network with a database known as blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized and distributed public digital ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. The database keeps track of and manages the cryptocurrency, verifying transactions and recording every transaction it undergoes. As a result, the database becomes a chronological record of cryptocurrency movement. The Shiba Inu smart contract platform is a one-of-a-kind blockchain that works in tandem with Ethereum to provide the robustness and the utility of the latter. Shiba Inu trades for small fractions of a penny. Despite the inexpensive price, Shiba Inu coins have a value of more than $26 billion due to the almost 549 trillion circulating supply. It has a total of 979 billion authorized coins. However, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin killed off about 40% of those coins, effectively erasing them and making them unusable. The value of Shiba Inu rose during September 2021 when it was added to the Coinbase platform. What does Shiba Inu do? Shiba Inu are further divided into several tokens which enable the entire cryptocurrency system to function. SHIB. This is the most important Shiba Inu currency, which may be traded and used as a medium of exchange. Leash. Its supply is limited to just 107,646 units, making it the most restricted of all Shiba Inu related coins. Validators who validate transactions earn staking rewards. Bone. The original purpose of this token was to provide users with the ability to vote on different proposals with it. There is more to the Shiba Inu community, including ShiboSwap, a decentralized platform that helps people trade coins. They also have their own currency called Shibashis, another type of non-fungible token, NFT. The cryptocurrency, like its dog-inspired coin before it, continues the motive across its ecosystem, including the white paper, which founders describe as a wolf paper. Meanwhile, it refers to those who own and back the currency as its SHIB army. You might call it barking mad, but it appears to have staying power. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that has risen in popularity over the past several months, as interest in digital assets grows. If you're considering trading cryptocurrencies or any other type of digital currency, it's crucial to comprehend what you're getting into and what potential dangers exist. Crypto is volatile and it's not typically backed by any assets, so avoid wagering money that you can't afford to lose. For more on Shiba Inu, check out our playlist on screen now.